Are you ready to start making real money online, even if you only have a few hours a day? In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to make money online part-time in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just want to earn extra cash from home, these methods are simple, beginner-friendly, and proven to work. So make sure you subscribe, tap that like button, and let's jump right into how you can start earning online. Today, Section 1, Freelancing and Remote Work. One of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online part-time is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com let you offer your skills, like writing, graphic design, voiceovers, or video editing, and get paid for each project. Even if you have no experience, start small. Offer simple services like writing short blog posts, designing basic logos, editing social media videos. Here's a pro tip. Search for low-competition gigs in your niche. These are easy to rank on Fiverr and get you noticed faster. Once you build up reviews, you can raise your prices and earn hundreds per week, part-time. Section 2, Affiliate Marketing, May 145-230. If you want passive income, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. Here's how it works. You promote a product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can sign up for free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates ClickBank, Share a Sale Impact Radius. Then create short YouTube videos, TikToks, or blog posts reviewing or recommending products. Example, make a video called Top 3 Tools for Side Hustlers and include your affiliate links in the description. The key SEO terms you'll want to use in your content include make money online, work from home, side hustle ideas, affiliate income, and online business. Section 3, Print on Demand and Digital Products. Another super easy part-time income stream is print on demand, where you design t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags and sell them online. Websites like Redbubble, TeeSpring, and Printify handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You just create and upload designs. You can also sell digital products like planners, ebooks, or templates on Etsy or Gumroad. Once you upload your products, they can sell over and over again, even while you sleep. This is called passive income, and it's perfect if you only have a few hours a week to invest. Section 4, Content Creation, 330-430. If you enjoy making videos, posting on social media, or sharing tips, start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram page. You can make money through ad revenue, once monetized, sponsorships, affiliate links, your own products or courses. Start by picking a niche, like make money online, fitness over 40, or healthy eating. Post consistently, use SEO-friendly keywords in your titles and descriptions, and always include a call to action to subscribe or click your links. Remember, the more value you give, the more your audience will trust you. And that's how you grow online income long-term. So let's recap the easiest ways to make money online part-time in 2025. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, print on demand, selling digital products, content creation. You don't need a degree, fancy tools, or full-time hours. You just need consistency and action. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips on making money online, side hustles, and financial freedom. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. But if you start today, your future self will thank you.